Hello guys! As I was scrolling up and down, may nabasa po akong comment. Ito po yun. This kind of comment guys, nakaka-inspire and nakaka-motivate po to share more about real testimonies of success ng mga Filipino teachers na nandito sa US. I just would like to emphasize guys, na never ko sinabi na magiging bilyonaryo tayo, as it is a mere exaggeration. But with proper financial management and simple life, we can save. In fact, yung mga teachers na nandito with their families are able to build up more properties like magagandang bahay, more professionals sa family, and they were able to pay loans na babayaran sana for 5 years or maybe until they retire. I just want to remind you guys of two things. First, everything starts with the right and positive mindset. A positive mindset makes you limitless, just as how limitless our God is. Second, good future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. And this is true po kasi ang plan ni Lord to prosper us. And this sweet promise of God, nakikita ko to sa mga teachers na nandito guys. So, keep dreaming and always dream the sun. So when you fall, you land among the stars. By the way guys, I deleted the comment kasi let's spread positive vibes only. Just sharing.